Sink your right knee to the floor. Front knee over your front heel, press down and rise up. Arms up, palms together, inhale. Exhale, heels of hands behind your skull. Press your skull back into your hands, hug your elbows in, and magnetize pubic bone and sternum. Pull your feet towards one another, then stretch from the core of your pelvis down into the earth, and inhale, slingshot your heart up a little bit. Using your core, it should be on fire. Exhale, relax your jaw and sink in a little bit, keeping your feet magnetized. One more inhale here, arc up, 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 up. And then exhale, come forward and lift your right knee, reach back through your right heel, squeeze your right thigh. Navel to spine. As you inhale, reach forward through your arms. And as you exhale, slowly bring your hands down, stretch your left leg straight. Inhale, ripple through your spine, halfway lift, pull from your feet all the way up to your brain with your breath. And as you exhale, a nice flush out to clear. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale to clear. One more time, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, keep your shoulders over your wrists, round your spine, hollow through your lower abdominals as you lift your left foot up and step back, down dog.